details. Vanessa.
Yeah, court documents allege that while attorney Carl Summerlock was out on bail, he kept ordering parts that investigators say are used to make guns. Howard County detectives seized more than 50 guns, ammunition, and firearm parts from the Glenwood address listed on Carl Summerlock's website for his law practice. According to court documents, 3 machine guns and a silencer were among the cache of weapons, and an ATF agent found them to be assembled from parts which bore no serial number. The Howard County State's attorney charged Summerlock in May, but the case was dropped in July, a day after a federal grand jury approved a 3-count indictment. He's charged with 1 count of possession of a machine gun and 2 counts of possession of a firearm unidentified by serial number. Investigators allege that while Summerlock was out on bail pending his state charges, he ordered 21 items from Amazon and 3 items from Right to Bear that can be used to manufacture, alter, or accessorize firearms. Howard County detectives seized more than 50 guns, ammunition, firearm parts from that home. I did reach out to Summerlock's attorney, and he did not respond by news time. A spokesperson for the ATF declined to comment. Live in the newsroom, Vanessa Herring, WBAL TV 11 News.